Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to send one-time view pictures on WhatsApp. So let's get right into it. Head over to your WhatsApp application and head over to any of the chats you want. And then just go to your camera option, click a picture. Once you click a picture, then here you can see uh, in the caption part there is a one written option. So once you click on there, that photo is set to view once or one time seeing photo, and this is how you can just do it and click on send. Once you click on send, it is done. This is how you can send one time view photos on Instagram, on WhatsApp. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next one.